You know what? In life, you have to allow only specific moments in your day to be 100% focused on what matters the most. And investing in our time, it's super valuable. Like as a software engineer, when we invest in our time, we elevate ourselves. It allows us to be better step by step by investing in our time. So investing in our time is super valuable, but more importantly, allowing what we want and what we don't want to be super specific in the distractions we really don't want to have in our day and the distractions we are okay, we are fine with that. It's like I know it sounds simple, but it does a huge difference knowing this and having a like in your notes, knowing exactly where you allow your distractions to be and where you don't want your distractions to be. And knowing also the environment that will help you to be more focused, to be faster in what you do. Like you have specific environments depending on the task you need to achieve, you will have environments that helps you to be better because the environment is pushing you up in what you do. No distractions, an environment that where you feel motivated because other people are doing maybe similar things than you in that environment. So somewhere where you feel well as well. In my case, I always have a um, a noise cancellation headphone. Noise cancellation helps me to be in my bubble. And that's also something really good. For me, I always do that all the time. I listen as well to video game musics because there's no lyrics. And when I need to be motivated, it helps you to be like to be in the right mood. Otherwise, I have a lot of white noise playlists as well. You can also listen to online, you have hundreds of thousands of songs like that to be focus you like focus songs of the focus musics, all of those sounds, it will help you to be better in what you do, thanks to listening to something captivating, something that motivates you. And iterate also from there. Always be curious and always research new ways of doing it better. It's not because now it works that there's no better way to do it. And you have to be in love in the problem, but not in the solution. That's why there's always a better way with the new technology to do something. Now, learning a language has been much more efficient with AI tools than before. You see, if I keep learning the previous way I was used to, okay, maybe I'm so used to that it's still very efficient because I know so well that method, and learning a new method, the learning curve would be like I would spend too much time learning a new method, but otherwise doing something like always researching to have a more efficient tool will help you. Also, when it's too busy around you, like now it's starting to be busier, well, it will be harder for you to be focused. So you have to then move or to change environments. And the same way in tech, in IT, if you stick to one tool, even though it works, you can spend more time with that tool because it's not as efficient as another tool. So always have that eager to like you should seek always to things more efficient, to better ways of building something. Step by step, you will get there, but you need to be 100% like you need a goal basically. You need a vision. If you don't have a clear vision of where you want to be at, it will be hard because then how can you organize well your days if you don't have a clear vision? The vision, it helps so much because then each day you know where you should focus, where you should spend and invest your time in. because you have that clear vision. So you know each day I know exactly where I need to be at. At the end of the day, I need to finish this, and this. So every morning I plan my day. I go to coffee shop, for instance, a coffee house, and I plan my day. And you know, when you're consistent day after day after day, when you repeat the same task over and over again, you will be better, you improve better. Of course, if you always commit, I mean, if you always do the same mistake, it will be harder. But that's why you always have to be open for improvements in what you do. If I play tennis every day, but I don't try to improve myself, I will always make the same mistakes. Now, if I play tennis every day, but I'm always aware of how can I play better today? How can I be a little bit better than yesterday? Even though maybe I'm already very good, there's always better ways to do it. And think out of the box. Brainstorm as well. It will help you to do things that maybe the average don't do. The average usually, if you try to be the average, you will be mediocre. So be like, your target should be much higher than the average. No, the average people are mediocre by definition. So you have to aim for the best of the best, la crème de la crème. And that way you will be excellent.